Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today I'm back with another tutorial using another palette from the Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection from Morphe. Today the palette I'm using is the Ring the Alarm palette, which is this one. This is the reddish orange palette from the collection. So this is how the inside look like. Out of the 4 palettes, I did do one tutorial with the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which went up a couple weeks ago, and I did show all of these palettes up close in that video. So this is very red and orangish look. I mean, that's what all the colors are in the palette, and I feel like this is a very fall appropriate palette, so this was like the perfect time to use this palette. I do have, I think, 2 fall tutorials, or actually 3 fall makeup tutorial up on my channel, but I do want to apologize to you guys for not having a video up on my channel last week. So without any further ado, I think we should get started with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and please keep watching. So I'm starting off with the Morphe 15H Happy Hour palette, and I'm taking the color On the Rocks to set the base of my eyelid. You can use whatever color you like. I just didn't have a base color from the Ring the Alarm palette, so I just picked up whatever palette I found. Then I'm taking the Ring the Alarm palette from the Vault collection, and I'm taking the color Rush. And with a fluffy crease brush, I'm applying this color right on the crease. I'm taking a little bit color at a time and slowly building up the color, since I wanted to smoke out this color and give it a nice transition and smooth transition. So I'm really taking my time to blend the color. Then I'm taking the color Alert to deepen the crease color. I'm going from lightest to darkest just to have more control and build up that crease color and give it a nice ombre effect. Next, I'm taking the color Mugshot and applying it towards the outer corner of my eyelid, and just taking with small circular motion, I'm applying this color. Then I'm taking the color Framed, and with a pointy crease brush, I'm applying this color right on the crease. I wanted to deepen the crease color a little bit more, and then with a fluffier crease brush, I'm just blending the color. Then I'm taking the color Secret. I'm deepening the outer corner a little bit more. I was expecting this color to show up a little bit darker. I wish it was a little bit darker. I wanted the outer corner a little bit darker. But anyways, I moved on to the color Siren, and I applied this all over my eyelid. Right now it kind of looked like a mess, but I wanted to put some of the shimmery shades on top of that, and I thought that Siren would be a nice base for those colors to pop on top. Then I took the color Lolly and applied this right on the center of the eyelid. I did reapply my eyeshadow primer to give this a little bit more oomph. So then I took the color On Camera, this is a nice bronzy gold color, and applied it towards the inner corner of my eye. Then I took my Morphe 35S palette, and I took these 2 shimmery colors from the corner and applied it on the brow bone as my brow bone highlight, and I also applied both of those colors as my inner corner highlight as well. Then I moved on to my eyeliner. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Eyeliner, and that's what I usually use, and I just created a regular wing that I always do. Then I took my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and applied a few coats on my top lashes. I'm waiting for later to apply on the bottom lashes. I went ahead and did my foundation. Now I'm just taking Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my under eye and around my mouth. I'm not going to set anywhere else, since I will be doing a foundation review on this foundation. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the color Rush and applying it all over the lower lash line. I'm just smoking this color out. Then I'm taking the color Bomb Ass and applying it from the center towards the inner corner of the eyes. This is going to give a nice reddish tint to it. And then I'm taking the color Framed and deepening the outer corners with this color. Then I'm taking the color Boom and placing it more towards the inner corner, and finally taking the color On Camera and placing it in the inner corners of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeliner pencil in color Black Heart and applying it in my waterline. Then I'm going back with my mascara and applying a few coats on my lower lashes. Then I went ahead and bronzed my face with the bronzer. I just went around the perimeter of my face Nothing major, I just lightly bronzed my face and also around my nose a little and under my chin as well. For my blush, I'm taking NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and I'm mixing these two colors to apply on the apples of my cheek. And then for my highlighter, I'm taking Maybelline Master Chrome in color Molten Gold and applying it on the high points of my face. For my lips, I'm taking Essence Lip Liner in color Red Blush and I'm just outlining my lips following my natural lip line, and I'm also filling in my lips with this lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm taking the color Love Bug from Colourpop Ultra Matte Lipstick and I'm just applying it all over my lips. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I pretty much used every single color from this palette with the exception of a couple like colors that I used from two different palettes, because this palette does lack brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight. I needed to pull out two of my other palettes, but I tried to keep it within the theme, so I tried to use two of my Morphe palettes to find some color for my brow bone highlight, my inner corner highlight, and also to set the base before I started doing my eye look. So those are the only 2 or 3 colors that I used from a different palette, but beside that, each of these palettes come with 10 different eyeshadows and I used all of the colors. I tried to use all of the colors in this palette just to see how they turn out. I think that's all I got for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me, and hit that bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me create content and know exactly what you guys like and what I should be making for future. And leave a comment down below. Let me know in the comments below. Did you try this palette? What are your thoughts about this palette? Or just say hi. I always appreciate all you guys' comments and they just cheer me up. You can also let me know how is fall going so far. What are your fall plans? And what are you looking forward to for this fall? As usual, I'll put all the product details in the description box below, along with all the social media links. So check that out and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!